guys, and welcome back to another video with me, Mr. Cola Roaster. Today I will be unboxing some more Blackpool Pleasure Beach merchandise. Please note that I will not be unboxing the original box, as I had to open that to send some merchandise to Monty for his birthday, and so I have put it in another box. Check out that video if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this piece of rock has come free with the order. Here we have one of the mugs. This is from the big one. Looks very smart. The other mug is here. This is from Infusion. So this is a resin from the big one. I think it looks quite good. Finally, we have these 3 pin badges. First up is an Icon gold dagger pin badge. Here, this is from Revolution. And finally, from Infusion. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. So here we have one last thing. So this is a block of wood from one of the old roller coasters at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, which was a wooden wild mouse. So I'm very happy I got this. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. We've got one from Alton Towers coming in the next few weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.